Niels 158, here we go. Watch out for the road surface. I don't know. Oh! Moving on, Yamaha R1 299 almost crashed. Hey, look at that. That's pretty fast. Hey, what's up with all these cars and people standing right there? Hopefully nobody jumps out or throws a stick at me. Whoa, shite. Okay, so not paying attention. You couldn't adjust anything. That was extremely lucky. Nobody's really paying attention to anything going on here. Everyone is like, yeah, this is cool, this is cool, this is cool, this is cool. That is dumb. What do you guys think? Yeah. Woo-wee. Niels 158, here we go. Watch out for the road surface. I don't. Oh! What are you doing, car? He's got soap. Soap everywhere. All the blinker fluid. All the blinker fluid came out. That's tough to find. If you go to your local AutoZone and try to find blinker fluid, you're not going to find it. So if you can, great. So what you do is you go into AutoZone or like anywhere else and just go up to the front desk. Don't even try looking and ask if you can find any blinker fluid. We're starting to lose a lot here. Very hard to find. All right, so here we go. We're going to turn left. Now, I don't know what that was all about with the little arrow thing. So they have to yield, I guess. I see that in the chat right now, which, by the way, we're doing this live on Fridays. So this person not paying attention. But remember, when you get into an intersection, you should be in orange stage. Definitely orange stage. You got to be prepped and ready, looking for those hazards. And then once you find those hazards, you have to go ahead and navigate or adapt to them. So position for safety, locate, adapt, navigate. Yeah, headlight oil is a little bit easier to find. So make sure you do good progressive braking. But remember, multiple factors were in place to cause this crash. We got the road. It's all nasty. A terrible driver right here. Maybe we weren't paying attention. Maybe we were a little bit white staged. We should have been orange staged. Just multiple factors involved. So this is why you have to wear gear, okay? This is why. Because in case your situation awareness or your fundamental skills fail, you need to have gear to mitigate that injury. It's like a net for a trapeze artist. They're not planning to fall, but if they do, it's good to have. Here we go. My backpack slid down my arm and caused my wrist to twist. Oh no, oh no. Hey, he got it. He got it. So here's the thing. When it comes to backpacks, this is a really good tip right here. When it comes to backpacks, get a backpack that has that chest strap. Let's move that out of the way. So you guys, okay. So you want it with that chest strap. That's going to prevent the issue of your backpack sliding off if you have that chest strap. Okay, let's go ahead. So get that chest strap so that won't be an issue. Boom, solved it. That sucks. On reflection, I locked up the rear wheel like a nah. Okay, first off, a beta. You are never a beta with that name. Never. Always an alpha male. Always. Here we go. Okay, so brake lights, uncommon thing. Whoa, that's exactly it. Hey, you locked up the brakes. It's okay. You gotta check your pantalones now. Gotta check them. All right, so uncommon thing in a common situation. We have brake lights in the middle of the road. Typically, it's because it's an intersection or somebody is in that path of travel. You see headlights? Definitely see headlights. So at this position, you're kind of like, oh, crap. Oh, crap. But here's the thing. If you saw the uncommon thing in a common situation, you're already covering that front brake, right? So then all you have to do is squeeze. Nice little squeeze. Nice little squeeze. A nice little squeeze. But he did a good job. That is a close call, not a crash. I'm happy. Now, this is a learning lesson. That is the whole point of being a smart rider, because this right here, teaching and mentoring other motorcycle riders. These close calls and crashes, we can learn from them. And we do this every Friday, 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, right? Real quick, I'd like to say thank you to Cardo for sponsoring this channel. I'm actually using their cool little headset thingy thing so I can talk to my kids on their Cardo Pack Talks. Make sure you guys grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk. Bold, slim, free com, whatever you want. With the link in the description, you get a discount. Anyways, let's get back. Here we go. Driver changed mind cutting of whatever. Moto Stars, here we go. We got an intersection orange stage. Watch out, that person is acting kind of funky on a green light. Good job with the progressive braking, DanDanTheFireman. Moving on, you're going to go ahead and say hi to him, probably punch his mirror. I'm not going to watch that. Anyways, let's go ahead and go back to here. Now, we're going to be talking a little bit about intersections and what is this? Orange stage. If you don't know what the color code chart is, this is what it is. When you're just kind of zoned out, you're in white stage. Yellow stage, you're zoned in, so you're paying attention to your surroundings, you're looking for things, you're planning your ride. If you don't know what planning your ride is, we do have a lot of cool motorcycle training videos on motorcycle training concepts. But orange stage is intersections. That is going to be any type of hazard situation. Corners, intersections, just automatic. Orange stage. You're prepped and ready. You're covering the brakes. You're looking around. You're kind of in a paranoid state, and that's the point. You need to get into that, but then also get out of that back into yellow stage after an intersection or after a corner. Red stage is what he did. Red stage is going to be that emergency maneuver, which is going to be that progressive braking, but in more of a, how can I say it, emergency mode. So we're going to get up to here. He's recognizing something is happening. This weirdo is doing some weird things, straddling that line on a green light. That's the uncommon thing in a common situation. So we're going to get up to here, and he starts to progressively brake. Now, if he wasn't paying attention and he was zoned out, probably never would have seen that vehicle and then slammed into the back of it, blame the vehicle, blame the driver for being on their phone or whatever the excuse is. It really is that we need to be paying attention. So nice wide turn, changed his mind, didn't see us, inattentional blindness, whatever it is, I don't know. I don't care. All I care about is this rider doing a good job with that progressive braking. What a smart rider. Absolutely, absolutely smart rider. Looks like he's got full gear, was situation aware, did a good job with the braking, and he's teaching us. He didn't have to rescue anybody, so this is really good. All right, trip driver, not a smart rider, riding a little fast for the environment. Now, how are we going to get through here? We're going to go around. Watch out for anybody merging in front of you, but we're not paying attention. Oh, road surface hazard. Got a little poo-poo in the pantalones, a little bit of a handlebar shake, a little bit of death wobble, able to get it back on. Didn't really learn his lesson there at all, and we're going to go back just a little bit. But road surface hazards, it doesn't matter if you're good or not. If you hit something, there's a good chance you're going to fall. So we're going to get over here, hauling ass through traffic, doesn't really care about his own life and safety, and that's probably right where he hit it, because that road looks terrible. Yep, that's where he hit it. Let's take a look at that. That's all it took, right there. He was able to hit that bump and then keep the motorcycle up. Pure luck. Pure luck. Guys, if you like this kind of stuff, we do this every Tuesday and Thursday on this channel at 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time live. So make sure you check that out. But if you want to check out some other things like this video right here or this video right here, please do so. It supports the channel. Click that like button, by the way. Check into class. Anyways, I'll be seeing you around.